Hi, this is Greg Vaught from Rohde Schwarz, and I'm at DesignCon 2023. We're at our booth here, and I'm with Matt Burns from Samtec.
Greg, it's great to be with you. Looking forward to talking a little bit about our latest 112 gigabit per second PAM4 demonstration with Rohde. We're going to show how our SciFly flyover cable system operates at 112 gigabit per second PAM4 with the Rohde Schwarz ZNA. Greg, can you tell us about the test equipment and the test setup?
Absolutely. So we've got our ZNA 67 vector network analyzer, and we're connected up to the Samtec SciFly kit. And I just want to step through a few of the interesting measurements we have on your device. So you can see here we've got frequency domain measurements. This is a PCIe Gen 6, and so we're measuring according to those standards. We've got time domain profile, which is really helpful to see where the connectors are located, where the twin-ax cables are going through, and it helps somebody easily get a good feel for what's going on with the device. And then we have an eye pattern being shown here. You can see this is a PAM4 modulation, and we're using the PCI Express SIC Gen 6 bit rate. And one more thing I want to show before we wrap this up is our de-embedding capabilities. So you can see on this screen, we've got two cases. We've got de-embedding on and de-embedding off. So now we can remove the effects of the fixture, such as insertion loss and reflections, and just get our insertion loss, return loss, time domain results just for the cable itself, none of the fixture effects. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you.
Greg, we appreciate that. One of the things that we're real excited though about at Samtec is the device under test that Greg just talked about, the capabilities of the ZNA solution from Rohde. The device under test features Samtec SciFly flyover cable technology. SciFly is designed to be an ASIC adjacent interconnect system, which allows users to break signals directly from the ASIC to the SciFly interconnect, and then use our ultra-low skew twin-ax cable to route high-speed signals, 112 gigabit per second, PCI 6, other protocols, from the ASIC adjacent interconnect either to the front panel or from the ASIC adjacent interconnect to the backplane. The device under test that we're using is actually a complete SciFly to SciFly cable, which is able of supporting high-speed data protocols such as PCI 6, 56 gigabit per second PAM4, 112 gigabit per second, and more. For more information about Samtec SciFly solution, please visit www.samtec.com/sci-fly or email our technical experts at sig@samtec.com. Greg, where can we learn more about Rohde & Schwarz's ZNA?
Sure. To learn more about what we talked about and more, please visit rohde-schwarz.com, and thank you very much.
Thanks, Greg. Thanks for being with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again.